How to uninstall Horror Tree. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or uninstall this application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. Now we are in this app info, so these are the information related to the application. So here you'll be able to modify and look out at the app information. Now on the bottom there's a button called uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now make sure you want to remove this application, so make sure you have your ID and password saved for later, because if you install it you'll be needing it. Now tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, the app has been removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.